Hi! So my daughter and we planted several pots. I think it's about 6 or 7 of different herbs to try out for this summer and spring. So I'm hoping that it works out. I honestly didn't do a ton of research before I planted them, but I saw somebody had posted about their apothecary and I was like, what the heck? I felt inspired, so I wanted to do it. And we just went for it. We had the pots and the dirt, and so we just planted them. So this is what we planted, and I'll try to give you some more background information about each of the herbs. I hope you don't mind, but I actually have my notes right here.
I already took my shoes off.
So chamomile is going to be really good for sleep and relaxation, digestive upset, skin healing, menstrual relief, and any childhood ailments such as teething, colic, or fussiness. Lemon balm is going to be very calming, give more sleep support, help with cold sores, digestive aid, and help with cognitive function as well. Can you put it all around the pot?
Gimme.
Hyssop is kind of cool as well, but if you're pregnant, you want to avoid it while trying to drink a tea or something, because it can kind of stimulate your uterus. But it's really great for respiratory support. It has antiviral properties. It's a digestive aid, wound disinfection, and it can help with energy and circulation. So calendula, we have this for skin and wound care, diaper rash, eczema, psoriasis, oral health, and menstrual support. So things like hormonal balancing, regulating your period, and easing cramps. Again.
That's strange.
That is strange.
Do you think we should still garden with these seeds?
Yeah, I think so. So peppermint is the last one that we planted, and this helps with digestive relief, respiratory support, mental clarity and focus, and pain relief.
One, two, three, 4, 5,
6! Yeah. I'm really hoping that not only will we have beautiful plants, but we can turn them into teas and other things.